If you've ever started editing a video on one computer and wanted to keep working on another, this guide is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer a CapCut project to another PC using CapCut's Project Sync feature, so you can move your work safely without starting over from scratch. This is a huge time saver if you edit on a desktop at home and then need to continue on a laptop, or if you simply want to access the same project from a different computer. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick CapCut tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel and I appreciate it a lot. Alright, let's get into it. First, on your original computer, open CapCut and go to the main home screen. This is the screen where you can see your recent projects and start new edits. Once you're on the home page, look to the right-hand side of the interface. You should see the Project Sync button. This is the feature that allows CapCut to upload your project files to the cloud so they can be accessed from another device. Go ahead and click that Project Sync button. After you click it, CapCut will begin uploading all of your project files. This usually includes the edit timeline, media references, and the project data tied to your account. Depending on how large your project is and how fast your internet connection is, this upload may take a little while, so give it time to finish. While it's uploading, make sure you don't close CapCut too early. Let the sync complete fully so everything is saved properly to the cloud. If your project contains a lot of clips, effects, or audio files, it may take longer, so be patient and wait until the upload is done. Once the files have finished uploading, the next step is to move over to the second PC. On that other computer, open CapCut and log in using the exact same account you used on the first PC. This part is very important because the synced project is tied to your CapCut account. If you use a different account, you won't be able to see the uploaded project. After logging in, go back to the CapCut home screen on the second PC. You should now see the synced project available in your account. From there, open it and continue editing just like you were on the first computer. Your project should load with the uploaded files, allowing you to pick up right where you left off. This method is one of the easiest ways to transfer a CapCut project between PCs because you don't have to manually move files using a USB drive or external storage. CapCut handles the cloud sync for you, which makes the process much more convenient and much faster for most users. Just remember that the key steps are simple. On the first PC, open the main CapCut home screen, click the Project Sync button on the right-hand side, wait for all the files to upload to the cloud, and then sign in on the other PC with the same account. That's it. If you want to avoid any issues, always double check that the upload finishes before switching computers. And if your project still doesn't appear right away on the second PC, try refreshing CapCut or signing out and back in again with the same account. So now you know exactly how to transfer a CapCut project to another PC using CapCut Sync. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more CapCut tips, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.